Welcome to my car and train channel. For some project, I love to be a scavenger, and here I've designed a full test bench for my Marklin steam locomotives, and I've not spent a dime, so all reusable hardware that I had in my workshop. So let's So on the left side I have the light. You see that the smoke generator is even working. I had those ball bearings. Unfortunately they are a little bit big, so I could not put to a wheel. But with the buffers, and you can see it's really working very well. It took me perhaps 5 hours to put it together. So now I'm going to remove the locomotive and show you how I have done that. Here we go. So I had this aluminum channel already there. I took some Marklin rails on both sides. And then I had those ball bearings with a 1/4 inch internal diameter. So I took long 1/4 inch screws that I had available, and I clamped them on both sides of the channel. And then in between I put a nylon, so a nylon like a T-shape, a cylindric T-shape with a nylon washer. All that was available. The thing which is interesting is that for the current, I have noticed that actually the main clamp that used to be used in automotive actually fits fairly well. You need a little bit of convincing with the plus of the train track, the Marklin, so in the middle. And then just an aluminum fold that I clamp on each side of the connector, the brass connector, and this is it. So I know that some of you are going to find that you know, it's not this, it's not that, whatever, but at the end it's working. And sometimes, you know, it's more about the tinkering and the engineering of the project than really to spend a lot of money. So I am very happy with the result. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have any comments, please ask them through the comment section, or make them through the comment section. Again, thank you very much.